Hello, this is we are here in our house. Get the full view of our house, full background, you know. Okay.
Ayaw kita tuyo kena.
We're sorry for the light inconvenience because today is it's evening. It's obvious, yeah. No? We're having here the birthday party of my oldest sister. It's already 20 and I'm really proud of her. Very fat and very big fat. It's very big fat. I'm sorry.
Thank you for coming in my birthday party, man. As you can see, my party is so great.
Please come over. This is my one of my sisters.
Yeah,
My sexy sister.
Oh, yeah,
Like me,
that's
macho.
Yes.
Where's the camera with me, man? Come here.
Let's go.
This is some of my neighbors. This is some of my neighbors. You know, James, our new neighbor. It's very dark. You're not focused.
Di man ka matapat din.
Okay, by the way,
And
come on.
some fixed point boys. Okay, let's go. I'm having this video because of my hair. You know, this day is the last day of my hair, and it really hurts me. You know, it really hurts me.
Chairman ni motor. Tanat na eh. Ano man?
Sunglass niyo, oy. Mami,
Sunglass gabi iwi.
This small thing is for your information. The birthday of my mother was last June 17. Yeah, and this was my gift. This price was 200 pesos.
Let's ingin.
Yes, from informatics, you know.
Chuyên nhìn xin na let's kay.
What?
Our criminologist. Kanta ni mama, pinakatsudan na yan. That is Pokwang, you know. This is Jho, and I'm Junpyo. This is our cameraman. Let's the light. Okay.
Que fokus lagi wow. Mantap kay Tista na. Oh, dira yung kanta na si Ater.
The birthday celebrity is singing.
Let's.
Anak.
Jamay. Maklaro man.
Hey, what the?
Kami ba?
Hey, yo.
Oy.
Yo.
Thank you for coming here, Normanshire.
That's thinking of you.
Yes, thinking of me. No.
Sorry.
Comparison of
10 minutes
Gilbert, come here. I will see my collection of my pictures for some videos again.
Okay, go.
Hey, where's my wallet?
From a tree up in the
Here's my wallet. Okay. These are the gifts of my. This one and this one are the gifts. Are my birthday presents for my ate. No. Come here. I'm sorry, I have no money. No. These are my pictures. Let's go. Get some focus with pictures because my wallet opening is with my girlfriend. No. My very close girlfriend. Girlfriend, not in a relationship, but my twin bro. No. I miss him because he's an NSA scholar. Then my friend, my graduation ball. Then my car. Yeah, it's my car. My car, but it is for sale at PQ. Night mode, sorry. But this is my my face. Hey, what the fuck? These are wearing Marcella
Kaputluno na naman eh.
at the pump.
Karena kita kaputluno na eh. Kasi may kuko.
Ito bang?
Eh.
Ito bang yung mga fans? Fans! Ito bang sa video ba? Kameraman. Simot mo. This is my picture when I was a long hair. This is with my round top. Okay. This is my love story, no? When my marathon, PMI, my birthday last year. When I get 20, I'll continue. You know what? This day is the last day of my hair, and I prepared a lot of things and materials for my haircut. I bought some cups, you know, this one, and also this one. I bought this today, today, with my own money. What's the funny fun? This is the best friend of my ate, Ellen. Say hi to the camera. Hi, hello there. Really hi. Let's go to our the head of this party.
Let's.
This is my dear mother. Mommy, don't worry because this video will be uploaded at YouTube and you'll be seen there on the internet, and I'm very proud of you. Yeah.
Everyone.
And my colleagues of my mother, his husband, and my Lola. I guess this video is very, it's already very long and I'm speechless. Thank you and last. I hope you enjoy. I hope you shout, man, shout. Yeah, shout, yeah. Where's my president?